Good day, everyone. We are here to present our after class activity for Module 10, which is all about implementing customer feedback for better communication. In a contact center, one of the best way to improve is how they communicate with customer by listening carefully to what they have to say. So, customer feedback is opinion or suggestion given by the customer after interacting with the agent. So, it's important because it gives them an idea what they will do to make things right and what they need to improve, especially in how they talk and respond to their concerns.
So, what are the benefits of customer feedback? First, it helps us spot communication gaps. Maybe customers didn't understand our instructions or felt that we weren't helpful. Second, it helps us to improve how we speak, especially our tone. And some feedback might say that agents sound too robotic or impatient, so we learn to adjust. And lastly, it builds trust because customers feel heard and valued. So, for example, let's say that many customers complained that they didn't understand the steps for setting up their account. So, our actions, the team can update the script and train agents to explain it more clearly. And as a result, there will be fewer calls about the same issue and customers will be more satisfied.
So application in contact center. So first listening actively to feedback. So it means that you as an agent, you must actively listen to your customer feedback because even though it is a positive or negative, you can use it to improve the way how you talk to your customer, the way you provide a service to them. You can use it to improve those things. Then the next is evaluating common issues. Why you must need to evaluate these common issues because evaluating common issues is um, can help you as an agent to have a ready solution for that particular issue because when the time that you encounter that same issue, you have a ready solution you can give to your client or customer. Next is mastering responses for better communication. So, mastering those responses can help you to improve and to get better into a communicating to your client because their feedback is really important even though it is a negative or positive because it can help you to improve your service. It can help you to improve the quality of the service you're giving to your client because when you satisfy your client to the service you're giving to them, it can leads you into a positive feedback also, and it can helps you to become success. Yes. So in conclusion, so implementing the customer's feedback is really important. Why? Because the feedback can help your agent to grow because based on the feedback coming to the customer, the agent will know what they need to improve and what they need to avoid in accommodating a customer. Then next is implementing a feedback coming to your customer can lead you to better communication and service because you will know how to communicate to your client, and also you will know what service you must need to provide to them, um, to satisfy what their needs and what they want. And also, um, feedback is not just a feedback, because even though it is a positive or negative, you can learn something to it. So by listening to that feedback and by learning to it, it can helps you as an agent to improve more, to improve the way you communicate to your client, to improve the speed of how you resolve their issue based on those feedback, because feedback contains a common issue faced by your client, so you can have a readily solution to those common issues. And also, by by learning and listening to those particular feedback, you can provide you can provide a high level of service to your customer. So that's why the feedback is really important. So that's it for the module 10 after class activity. Thank you.